Well, as everybody can see, the situation in Afghanistan has deteriorated, and as I said in the House of Commons a few weeks ago, we could see this coming for some time, and we'd have to make preparations to pull out, and that's what's going on now. That moment has now come. So in the course of the next few days, we will see the vast bulk of UK embassy staff officials come back, and we'll step up our efforts to bring back those Afghans who have helped us, helped the UK, helped international forces throughout the last 20 years. I think what I would say at this stage is it is very difficult, obviously, but I think the UK can be extremely proud of what has been done in Afghanistan over the last 20 years. Don't forget that the combat mission ended in 2014. There isn't a military solution, but thanks to the efforts of the UK armed services, all the sacrifices they made, we have seen no Al-Qaeda attacks against the West for a very long time. And there are millions of girls and young women who've been educated in Afghanistan thanks to the efforts of the UK and British armed services. And I think people can be very proud of that. I think we've got to be realistic about the abilities of the UK or any power to impose a military solution, a combat solution in Afghanistan. What we certainly can do is work with all our partners in the region and around the world who share an interest with us in preventing Afghanistan from once again becoming a breeding ground for terror.